The NSK esa-b014cf7-11 is a customized single-axis servo motor controller used in an applied material robot with an AMAT number 0190-75053. We received this motor controller with an overcurrent axis fault, which required a full rebuild and the repair of the resolver feedback circuit. After we rebuilt this motor control, we attached the motor to the system and verified no problems or errors were generated by the driver. ERD has extensive experience with NSK drivers going back to the 90s, and this more modern controller is no problem for repair at ERD. Thanks for checking out the video. Subscribe to ERD TV for more videos of our repairs.